Are you interested to learn mehendi, or if you are a mehendi designer and want different type of designs, then you can buy this book. So many latest designs are there. Bridal Mehndi designs are there, matching to that leg and feet part, including hand, above elbow, or as per the length you can select your design. Motifs are there for the wedding: doli, barat, dholak, baja, varmala, and so many things you will get. Bride, groom, lotus, and Krishna, Radha. So many motifs are available. You can design them. One more pattern, leg design with mehendi. Both should be equal. More design with Radha Krishna, Kalash, and peacocks. Full designs, bridal mehendi design. This collection of bridal mehendi design is available only in 5,000 rupees. One set of collection is there, so whoever interested, buy now. This is available in 5,000 rupees.